Tibet and also Lhasa has been under military crackdown for more than 60 years now. And in fact, as we speak today, the Chinese government is actually destroying the traditional and ancient area of Lhasa, which bears a lot of the temples, a lot of the cultural sites that really bear witness to my country's history. I'm a Tibetan, but I cannot travel to Tibet, and I don't know if you know this, but I'm assuming the panel might know this, that in fact even Tibetans are not able to travel to Lhasa easily. Wealthy Chinese tourists do, but in Tibet, as a Tibetan, you actually need 5 different identifications to be able to travel to Lhasa, and it's really difficult for Tibetans to actually have it issued. So, with your project, as a Tibetan, I really feel that you're actually supporting the military occupation, because the Chinese government is really trying to portray a different image of Tibetans. And over the past years, and ever since the Chinese government occupied Tibet, there have been a number of incidences and peaceful protests by Tibetans to stop the occupation, to demand their right for freedom, political self-determination, and just basic human rights.